We are currently in the St. Irwin area at one of those big developments, the Perimeter Road, and I am truly impressed by the work I am observing here today. I cannot wait for the Prime Minister to visit to see the longest bridge in the country, and I'm sure that he will be impressed. Of course, this project is the Prime Minister's baby. It was declared a national project, and it is on target, and we expect persons to be able to access it by 2026. It will also improve significantly the traffic flow in the city of Montego Bay. Earlier we conducted a tour, and that one entailed the journey from St. Clever's Avenue to Irwin High. And of course that is another big development that is happening in Montego Bay, transportation expansion. We journeyed with the students of Irwin High to their school, and it was a very good trip. We identified some nuances, traffic in particular, which we are confident that this road will help to alleviate. Connecting from Iron Shore to Montpelier will reduce the journey significantly, probably more than 60%. Now you will take about 45 minutes to an hour to move from Iron Shore to Montpelier. Based on the plans that are being put in place, that journey will be about 20 minutes max, and that will significantly reduce the travel time and improve the traffic congestion situation.